Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram note gold. This method works the same for both Android and iPhone users, but keep in mind that this feature might not be available in all countries yet. Before we get started, the first thing you need to do is ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by heading to the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for any updates. Having the latest version is crucial because some features, like creating a golden note, may not be available on older versions. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and go to your direct messages by tapping on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you'll see a section at the top that says Your Note. Tap on it to start creating a new note. Here's where the magic happens. To make your Instagram note gold, type in the text you want, then select the gold emoji from your emoji keyboard. You can use the gold star, gold heart, or any other gold emoji to create that golden effect. After you've finished typing and adding your gold emojis, just hit share, and your golden Instagram note will be visible to your friends. These are some suggested emojis and words that make Instagram note gold. But keep in mind, this feature might not be available in all countries yet. If you don't see it, it may be rolling out to your region soon. And that's how you can make your Instagram note gold. It's a simple and fun way to stand out on your Instagram profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more awesome tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.